Okay. One, two, three. Oh yeah.
So you got to watch out the window.
Okay.
Temperature averages some 40 degrees cooler. And the trees, flowers, will travel over 5 towers.
What's that stuff?
What's that? Those are pipes. Much the same as a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible on the road. All other towers.
Oh, it looks like they're building a new water line.
Materials to various sites by helicopter. For the new rotating tram cars, the improvements included new cables, drive system, and the removal of 1,000 cubic yards of rock.
Who does say hello?
We'll see survey occupation that indicates where rock removal was required. The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 360 degrees during travel and are the largest of their type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon.
He's out, Walter Cronkite. White.
Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation, including sycamore, cotton, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. On the left, tram car is but one of the many waterfalls that's fed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different places, ranging from the desert to the outlying fringe. It's a little like making a motor trip from Mexico to Mexico. We believe this is the only place in Southern California where they
Jay, watch out for that tower.
as we approach town number 2.
Keep your eye on that thing.
You can see where the water levels used to be.
Come on, keep your eye on that thing.
Hundreds of water levels. Well, from hundreds of millions of years.
That's where they cut the.
Yeah. Well, no.
Jay, keep your eye on that sucker.
The different rows of it's. 'Cause at some point, billions of years ago, this was all underwater.
Okay.
All right.
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah.
As you no doubt already noticed, we experience a swinging motion as the tram car transitions track cable over the tower saddle and back to the track cable. This motion is the result of the car moving from the flexible track to the rigid tower and back to the track. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made. The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables to support moving and communications in tramway. The largest of these are the track cables on which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet in length, therefore weighing a total of 61 tons. The halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and 3. This happens as the other journey.
That's why I thought you had cushioned. They have a permit. Yeah, they went to the top last year.
It's starting to get cold up there.
Yeah. It's 6 hours round trip.
All right, everyone. If you look over here on my left, you're gonna see the other tram car come down. Don't forget to wave. They like it when you wave. Here it comes. Don't blink.
They waved at us.
While it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the hauling cables, which move with the car. You see, the drive system at the Valley Station is pulling that car down, and in turn is pulling us up. The two cars are 34 feet apart when they pass. The Palm Springs Aerial Tramway was first conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Crocker, who to this day is known as the father of the tramway. The original tramway Tramway was completed in September 1963 after some 26 months of construction at a cost of $8.5
Good day.
million.
All right, everyone, we're coming up on Tower 3. It's got a bigger swing, bigger than all the other towers. Hang on. Enjoy the ride. Here we go.
One, two, three. Oh yeah!
Installation at a total cost of
Oh, wow, look at that lumber over there.
tax dollars were used in the
There's like a bit of lumber on top of that. Helicopter lands on that. Oh, yeah, from the construction of the tower.
And then they land on top.
Well, I just didn't pay that much attention the last time I was up there.
It is between towers 3 and 4 that we reach the long span of our journey. The cables stretch for more than half a mile. Often right or north Star is one of the most dramatic sights of our entire trip. The majestic spire of the Chino Cathedral Rock. Visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the life zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole, and fir. Natural residents in the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
Thank you on the thing.
It's still a long way away. Some of the rocks are mossing over here. Josh was telling me last night.
Oh, yeah.
The smallest of the 5 towers is tower number 4, 57.5 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. From there, the view is truly spectacular.
Who made it? Probably maybe this one.
Nice guitar, Daddy.
That's me.
Or it could be Alex Lifeson.
Sure.
Below, you will be able to see the many desert cities of Portillo Valley and as far as south as the Salton Sea.
Come on, let's-
Hold on, you gotta wait a little bit on the other side of the saddle. That's when it actually swings. You're doing it.
And the right of our travel is San Gorgonio at 11,400
Come on, let's- one.
mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey.
One, two, three. Oh yeah!
Summer hiking trails and in winter, many miles of snowshoe cross-country ski opportunity. This is, by the way, one of the very few pristine wilderness areas in Southern California, and has been designated a national monument. Moderately easy trail. Mountains just behind and below the mountain station. For those who wish to venture beyond the mountain station, be sure to wear proper clothing and hiking boots.
Okay, here we go.
Please stay on the prepared trails, so this magnificent wilderness setting may be preserved.
We're going on tower now.
And you'll discover the Tram restaurant with one of the finest
Okay.
panoramic views of the wet.
One, two, three. Oh yeah!
Renovation is shown in the small theater. From the first deep snow until spring, the Adventure Center is in operation with snow tubing, snowshoeing, cross-country ski, book and rental. The center may be found walking down the concrete trail. During summer weekends, state park volunteers conduct nature walks along the way. Times are posted in the state. The tramway department are announced on the press system.
All right, everyone, welcome to the mountain station. The elevation